Welcome to JH. If you're looking to list your products faster and boost sales across multiple marketplaces without losing your sanity, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to use the Sellraze app to create listings instantly and publish them everywhere with just one tap. Step 1. Take a photo. Open the app and snap a clear picture of the item you're trying to offload. The app will automatically analyze the image the moment you take it, because apparently, looking at an object and typing its name is far too much work for us modern humans. Step 2. Get your listing details. Sellraze AI will identify the item, estimate its value, and even pick the best images to use so you don't have to pretend you're a professional photographer. Step 3. Fill in the remaining details. Most of the product information, including the title, description, category, and pricing, will already be filled in for you. You can make any edits you want before posting, just in case you think you're actually smarter than the algorithm. Step 4. List the item. You now have two options. Auto list across multiple marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and Poshmark with a single tap, or choose one marketplace to post on manually if you happen to enjoy repetitive tasks. Sellraze key features include AI-powered listing, which identifies your product and writes the description for you, saving you enough time to actually have a life. With multi-channel selling, you can blast your items across several platforms at once without the soul-crushing experience of creating separate listings. The app offers effortless management by connecting directly to all your selling platforms, letting you manage everything in one place. It even syncs updates and delists items everywhere instantly when they sell, mercifully sparing you from those "Is this still available?" messages for things you sold 3 days ago. That's it. Thanks for watching.